The rich don't chase the next big thing. They don't YOLO their savings into meme stocks or panic sell every dip. They play a different game, one that's quieter, slower, but built to last. Today, we're breaking down 9 timeless portfolio strategies the smart money still uses. Rules that worked for old money then and still work now. Before diving in, let's set the ground rules. The pillars every timeless portfolio stands on. Diversify across assets and regions. Keep fees low. Rebalance. Don't react. And remember, no portfolio beats discipline. Rule 1. The one fund strategy. One simple index fund, like the S&P 500 or total U.S. market. It's the set it and forget it approach. Minimal effort, maximum exposure. Think of it like driving a Tesla in autopilot mode. Smooth on clear roads, but buckle up when the market gets bumpy. Rule 2. The two-fund strategy. Stocks plus bonds. The original diversification duo. Stocks and bonds. It's like adding shock absorbers to your ride. Smoother, not faster. The bond portion cushions you when stocks take a dive, giving you balance and sanity. Rule 3. The three-fund portfolio. Global core. The legendary three-fund portfolio. U.S. stocks, international stocks, and bonds. It's the IKEA furniture of investing. Simple, modular, and surprisingly strong if you assemble it right. It's the go-to global starter pack for long-term investors. Rule 4. The three-fund plus REIT tilt. Want a bit of real estate flavor? Add a REIT fund, the three-fund plus REIT tilt. It's like adding spice to a meal. Just enough to make it interesting, but too much. And you'll feel the burn when interest rates rise. Rule 5. The four-fund split. U.S. sizes plus international. Large, mid, small-cap U.S. stocks plus international. It's for those who want finer control without diving into factor madness. Basically, the same pizza just sliced thinner. Rule 6. Bernstein's no-brainer portfolio. 4 equal parts: bonds, S&P 500, small caps, and Europe. Think of it like a car with 4 equal gears. Not flashy, but built to go the distance. Rule 7. Ivy-style endowment portfolio, inspired by elite university funds like Yale or Harvard, but made for real people. It mixes stocks, bonds, REITs, and commodities. A true all-weather setup. Like a Swiss Army knife. Versatile, but you need to know how to use it. Rule 8. The coffeehouse portfolio. The coffeehouse portfolio is for the investor who loves complexity, but not chaos. You get value tilts, small cap exposure, REITs, and 40% bonds, kind of like a layered lasagna of diversification. Heavier to manage, but satisfying once baked right. Rule 9. Paul Merriman's ultimate buy and amp. 11 sleeves across U.S. and international size and value, plus bonds. Think of it like an orchestra. Every instrument has a part, but without discipline, it's just noise. For investors who love spreadsheets and structure, this is your symphony. Whichever strategy you choose, keep it low cost, consistent, and boring. Rebalance on schedule, not on headlines. Hold your winners. Respect your rules. And don't let FOMO drive the wheel. Think cruise control, not lane swerving. There's no perfect portfolio. Only the one you can stick with. Match it to your goals, your timeline, and your nerves. Because in the long run, the secret of smart money isn't timing, it's discipline. You just learned the rules old money never talks about. Now hit that like, subscribe, and join the kind of investors who play the long game, quietly winning while everyone else chases hype.